Good morning mga ka-network. Blessed morning. Today is Friday, um, 27 of May 2024. So my boss giving me a task to apply this one. To paint this I-beams both side today using Carboline paint. See, Carboguard 635, part A light gray, and this is the part B, and this is the part A too. So there is 1 liter, 4 liters and 1 liter part B. So that's my task today, including the 2 bogies there, the bogies train. So let's do this. And I'm gonna need to open this one first to check this. So that's my one colleague. It's African, so he's a good guy too. Anyway, I'm going to do this mix, prepare, and using this grapho. So I have 3 grapho over here, and see, this is the one I'm gonna paint. Plus the foil, small piece of that. Let's do this, and just watch me how to apply that. Hope that you can get some ideas, techniques. So I know so many people that they have knowledge to apply this paint, Carboline. But that's not only the paint we apply. See, that's not only the paint that we are using here. We're using also Laknam International, and then Dulux. We have also Jotun. We have Amerco D99. See, Jotun, this Marathon. So many different kinds of paint that I'm using here in my company. So in the running years by, I learned how to apply that all. Anyway, thank you for watching me, and please continue to watch how to apply this one. Hope you like it, and take some, get the advantage or the positive things that you can get from me how to apply the paint. Okay, and be safe, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.